As the freelance culture grew famous during the last 3 to 4 years, hundreds of websites have been launched that provide great service to freelance workers and outsourcers. We did some research on the web and found the following 10 best freelance websites that are really changing the freelance landscape of the world and have already established themselves as mega sources of freelancing and outsourcing. The first site is Freelancercom. It is one of the biggest and one of the oldest players out there. After the launch in year 2003, it has now grown into world's biggest outsourcing destination. It has recently acquired the two big giants in the freelancing marketplace. If you're looking for a place to start, then Freelancer is the best place for you. Second website is Upwork. Upwork is the new beast that has come out of merging of Odesk.com and Elance.com. It is my personal favorite. Odesk and Elance, the world's two biggest freelance websites, joined hands and merged from Upwork.com in the middle of 2015, forming a big competitor for Freelancer.com. But even after so much noise around people opposing this decision of theirs, I personally think it is still the same amazing place for finding jobs and hiring freelancers. The third website is Fiverr. It is the world's largest marketplace for small services. The most interesting part is you can create gigs for as low as $5. It can prove to be a money-making system for you even if you don't know the coding or design stuff. Just have a look at the gigs others are creating and see if you can do that too. Fourth website is Gudo. Since 2001, this platform enables freelancers to showcase their skills and services to find appropriate jobs. Freelancers and employees both create their profiles on the site and enter into a job contract after reviewing each other's professional reputation. Freelancers looking for the good paid jobs in designing, writing, IT, marketing, administration, and other fields. People per hour. This site brings together people who are offering services relating to writing, web development, designing, social media, business development, etc. It is a UK-based company which follows a system pretty similar to other freelancing websites. On this site, you will find both online as well as on-site freelancing gigs. Jobs are either fixed price or hourly type. iFreelance. If you offer services in accounting, administration, marketing, designing, programming and writing, or any other related categories, you can join iFreelance to find prospects. Simply create your profile advertising the service that you offer. Alternatively, you can buy it on the project that are suitable to your skills. Joining iFreelance is not free. You must purchase one of the paid membership plans. 99 Designs. This site includes only designing gigs in the form of contest. A client puts forward his or her design brief. Freelance designers work on that. Only the approved design wins the prize money. Simply Hired. It is difficult to beat Simply Hired when it comes to freelancing jobs. From personal care to high-tech, from administrative to construction, this is the marketplace for online and offline freelance jobs. The site lists jobs from 24 different countries. Besides job listing, the site includes other useful resources like company directories, success stories, and career development tips.